you're one of the 18% of Americans that drives a manual transmission, you may or may not always be driving on the stock unit that came in there. And that's where SPEC can help you out. For instance, this here SPEC clutch right here, say you had an odd transmission in your car. You swap the motor, you put a different kind of transmission in. You can call the fine folks at SPEC and they can hook you up with whatever you need. So this here clutch is for a LS2 that has a 350Z transmission mated up to it. That means it's got the flywheel and the disc for an LS2, but it's got the input shaft whole thing for a 350Z. Or say you got a car that's not from America, SPEC can also hook you up. This here unit is for an RB20 out of a Nissan Skyline from 1991. Talk about different. We're gonna take this here clutch all the way to Japan to put it into a car. That's how dedicated we are. They definitely ain't gonna put these in the carry-on, I'll tell you that much. There'll be more on that in the video that we release later on this year. So there's a few reasons in a nutshell why you should choose SPEC clutches over anything else. Officer Dan out.